Hello everyone, my name is Akash and in this video we'll be talking about the latest smartphone from Honor, that is this one, the Honor 9X Pro. Also guys, as you know that this smartphone is the first smartphone in India which is running on HMS and not on GMS. So let's just quickly see how good it is and how it is a well upgrade from Honor 9X. So watch the video and I will do a side-by-side comparison between this, the Honor 9X and the Honor 9X Pro. So watch the video till the end. So guys, here are both the devices and you can see that this one is the Honor 9X and here is the Honor 9X Pro. So let's just quickly see first of all about the design part. So guys, as you can see that both the phones have the same kind of camera setup, but here we have the ultra clarity mode in this 48 megapixel camera which is provided in the Honor 9X Pro. So here this is a plus point for Honor 9X Pro. Apart from that, if we talk about the fingerprint scanner, so the fingerprint scanner is placed here in Honor 9X and in 9X Pro the fingerprint scanner is given within the power button itself. Here you can tell me that whether you like this kind of fingerprint scanner which is present on the back, or maybe this kind of fingerprint scanner which is given within the power button. And guys, if we look at the bottom, so bottom of both the phones is almost the same, as we have the speaker grill, the USB Type-C port and 3.5 mm audio jack, and with the primary microphone placement. So from the bottom it is almost the same. We have the same kind of volume rocker, and the screen on both the phone is 6.59 inches, which is just the same. If we see on the top, so we have the 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, and apart from that we have this SIM tray which is provided on the top. So with the design part it's almost the same. So now just quickly see what we get inside the phone. Now guys, you can see that this device is running on HMS and this device is running on GMS. So we have this Google search bar here, and we have this Huawei search bar in this smartphone. So if we go in the settings and see about phone, so you can see both the devices are running on EMUI 9.1 here. This device is running on Kirin 710F, which is a chipset of older generation, and this device is running on Kirin 810, which is a newer version. And guys, let me show you that we have this Google feed here in the GMS smartphone, and just the same we have this Huawei Assistant with the HMS service, and both are useful. Both shows things, the news and all. Yeah, many of the people were asking me about this that if this smartphone do not support Google services, so how they will navigate as they use Google Maps, and what is the replacement of that. So let me just show you that I have this Google Maps installed in my phone, and if I tap here it is showing me that I'm in the Akashvani and Doordarshan colony. Well, here's the app Move Maps, which is Map My India, and if I tap here, so as you can see it's showing me that I'm in the Akashvani All India Radio colony. So this is the replacement. Next thing which many were asking me, that how to use the YouTube in this smartphone. So let me just tell you that guys, there is an app called YouTube Advanced, and you can download that app and install it and use it without any problem. So you can use YouTube on this smartphone as well. Now if we talk about other apps, like as you can see I have this Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and I also have this PUBG Mobile and Asphalt here in my phone. So here's the app APK Pure, which you can download, and as let me just show you that here all the updates are present, and you can update, download any app from the store, and Yes, there's no problem with it. Now if I show you guys about the camera, like many were asking me that how well is its camera. So as you can see, the AI is on in both, but here the resolution is set maximum to 12 megapixel, and here we can use it till 48 megapixel. So this is one of the difference. If we turn off the AI, and now if we just tap on this resolution thing, here you can see the highest resolution is showing like 48 megapixel in a Honor 9X, but in 9X Pro you can go up to 48 megapixel AI clarity mode. And if you want to see my review video of this Honor 9X Pro, do check in the cards above, and you can see the review and how is the camera performance of this smartphone. So guys, overall according to me, this smartphone, which is Honor 9X Pro, it is coming with HMS, and guys, this is what we call the innovation. Like the traditional Google mobile services were running, and there are a set of apps which is known as G Suite. So we have each and everything installed in it, like we have Google Maps, we have YouTube, we have Google Mail services, that's the Gmail, we have Google Drive, Google Photos and all. But if you see, there are so many more apps which are present in the market, and have some better services than what this Google services offers you, and for free. The new app gallery from Huawei is now offering many more apps which you can go and check out and can download and use that simply. Apart from that, let me just share my opinion on this thing. Like you are regularly using a traditional thing on Android, and as you know that Android is an open platform. So here what Huawei did is they developed their own ecosystem, the Huawei Mobile Services, which is known as the HMS. And guys, this is what innovation is. We have to change things like every other many developers do. Like iOS is there, Apple makes its own ecosystem with the iOS, and in that Google services also work without even installing that G Suite. So this is what it is, and this is what the future is, guys. We cannot just stick with one thing, and if we do that, so we cannot develop. And I highly recommend this smartphone. Why? Because first thing, it's a brilliant design smartphone. It comes with some spectacular specifications, and it's ads free. There are no ads in its UI and will never come. Its battery is working very good, as there are no additional services running in the background, so it's well optimized. And the Kirin 810 processor is working like a charm. The PUBG mobile experience, and as for the gaming thing, I've made a video, and I will share the link in the descriptions. And apart from that, it's overall a brilliant phone for the photography, for usage, for multimedia experience, and for gaming too. So I highly recommend this smartphone. And this is what I think about this smartphone. What are your thoughts? Do let me know in the comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends, family, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So take care.